How we helped kids with recurrent cough and cold using homeopathy. Did you know? Homeopathy can be incredibly effective. For kids with recurrent coughs and colds, many parents come to us, frustrated by constant colds and coughs, affecting their child's health. That's why we offer personalized homeopathic treatments that target the root cause, boosting immunity naturally, without any harsh side effects. So, if your child is frequently unwell, let's find a gentle, lasting solution together. Book a consultation with us and see the difference homeopathy can make. For appointment, call 9216932110.